This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. Cattle have gotten some really nice trade this week. We saw fat cattle close near limit up twice, which is a little bit better than we had been expecting. We broke out above technical resistance for that August contract. We had defined that as about 107.75, opened the door towards the 200-day moving average, which is what we're lingering around here today, which is 109. I think the top end of the risk range here comes in about 110 to 110 and a quarter. This is a key retracement on the year. Previous support and the original breakdown from that March breakdown where we accelerated into the April lows. So this is going to be a big level to keep an eye on. I think a lot of this week's price action is also maybe some position squaring ahead of the cattle on feed report out tomorrow afternoon. As far as the cash trade goes, not a whole lot developing here yet. We did see some trade at 112 on the Fed Cattle Exchange yesterday, and a couple passed on at 111. So, there's still potential to see a firmer cash, but we'll just have to wait until that comes out. Now, wrapping things up, or shifting gears rather, over to the feeder cattle. They've been very constructive, higher highs and higher lows since the middle of May, and I think we can continue to work higher and test those February highs of 156. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hogs. Lean hogs are very, very choppy today, more bipolar than a Midwest weather forecast. We started out higher, traded lower, and then you saw a lot of choppy trade, which leads us to believe maybe a bottom is near, but we're not going to jump just in yet with the future side of things. I think if you want to play for a relief rally or try to catch a falling knife, you want to look to it using long call options, something that gives you limited risk and pretty good exposure. So that's what we're looking at to wrap up the week. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.